Hi everyone, my name is Gwen. I'm the creator of this channel. Welcome! With me you can find cosmetic and cold process soap recipes and candle making process. Today I'm making a candle for Christmas. I kept the name of the fragrance oil, it was just perfect. Its name is Christmas Magic. I choose to make a green base with a yellow meringue in top. I also add some glitters for some fun and some small Christmas item. If you want to see similar recipe, you can find what you're looking for in my previous videos. I hope you enjoyed this one. You can find me here on Instagram, Facebook and TikTok if you have any question for me. Have a great day. See you soon. Bye.
Just like the ones I used to know. The white Christmas, of a white Christmas. With every Christmas card I write.